AK640SA, our machine for efficient and reliable waste wood and green waste shredding. Build-up is very simple. The rear conveyor can easily be folded out hydraulically so that the machine can go quickly into the operation. The standard damping facility allows low dust emission, a great feature, especially in the waste wood shredding. Designed as a semi-trailer, the AK640SA can be transported quickly and at a low cost, at any time, like all the smaller models of the Doppstadt AK series. The long-feeding hopper with a width of 6 meters supports high throughput and an easy loading, even with bulky material to be shredded. During the development of our robust grinder, we gave special importance to the exhaust system. It complies with the latest emission standard, E5. Thanks to this modern exhaust system, the AK640SA achieves a high engine performance at maximum emission control. The efficient exhaust system is equipped with an integral insulation and a heated AdBlue system. All the components are made entirely of stainless steel and ensure maximum corrosion protection. The efficient thermal insulation covers the system against the environment for an optimized fire protection, especially in very dusty conditions. Our AK640SA is the perfect combination of performance, durability and technical innovation. As a partner on your site, the AK shreds waste wood and green waste always, efficiently and reliably.